Are you looking for a structural floor deck that matches your spec and delivers on-site performance? At RMD Profiles we supply a complete range of floor profiles, cut to length, delivered fast and fully supported by our expert team. We're proud to be the company that offers a range of profiles from the most reputable and popular British manufacturers in the UK, supporting British business and monitoring quality, performance standards to ensure you get the right materials on site quickly. The full range of floor profiles by CMF, half owned by Severfield Reeve, a global player in the steel fabrication and in construction industry. They manufacture MetFloor profiles from their factory in South Wales, and we keep a small stock holding in our stockyards scattered across the UK for fast delivery on small works volume of under 300 square metres per order. If you require volumes over that, we can handle that too. We streamline the process by making sure that you have the right size panels on site by doing a structural layout drawing to show where every single panel sits on the structural frame. We do that by taking your steelwork structural GAs or the structural engineered GAs for the supporting structure, whether that be laid a deck on steelwork, block, ICF, structural timber. We can offer a layout drawing for any structure that you require a concrete slab to sit on. We also support Tata Steel with their full range of floor profiles, and we also stock the same again for the similar volumes across the country for fast delivery on small works. Again, on larger projects we can handle and offer the layout drawings subsequently for those. 2. Our partnership with Firth Steels, having approached us to sell the floor profiles as well as a roof and cladding range. It's increased choice further to our customer base and prospects to enhance the offering to UK business to ensure that you get the right profiles for the job. R&D Profiles narrows down the choices and helps you define the best profile for your circumstances, whether that be maximum span, imposed load capacity, slab design enhancements, making a lighter structure overall, thermal, acoustic or fire enhancements properties that you need for your project. You can fit yourself with our support, or we can provide a full package. We can fit the steel deck and leave you to mesh and concrete, or we can fit the deck, mesh and concrete for you. Just let us know which package you would like when you make your inquiry. Why? Because we've seen a lot during our business life, and we've tuned in with most of the project demands that we see and have dealt with in the past. Our journey, it's been a colour to say the least, that's for sure. So we understand the manufacturing process, the consumer needs and the technical demands the end user needs through our connection with many talented people within the construction industry. We're proud to help you.